Hello, and welcome everyone in a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to screencast your phone to any TV or smart device that you have on your house. And also it's called smart mirroring or sharing your screen to a bigger screen or to a wider screen, the screen of your phone, of course. So to do this, you just need to get this drop down menu, and as you can see in the bottom left of the icons, there is an icon called screencast. You just need to click on that icon, wait few seconds, and your phone will start searching for available devices, for display devices. And as you can see here, I have two devices. I have my bedroom speaker, which is Google Nest, and also my TV. To screencast to any one of them, you just need to click on it and your screen will be shared to it, and if it's a speaker, only the sound will be shared to it. I hope that you like this video, but before, let me tell you something. If you can't find this icon here, you just need to check in the other screen if you have other screen, or click on the three dots on the top right of the screen and click on edit tiles and you will find it here. Just look for the screencast option and you will find it. Like, if it's not already added, you can add it from this options. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.